Okay, so good morning. We are in the vegetable garden this morning because I've noticed that my potato plant, the first one that I planted, the leaves are dying, and I don't know, I think it's a little early, but everything I've read says that once the leaves die, the potatoes will not grow anymore. So we may just have some what they call new potatoes. So we are just going to pull it up and see what we have. So we've got a few nice ones and some little ones that are still green. Here they are, rinsed off. So you can see what happened. There's the original potato that I planted. And you can see all the ones that were growing. And if it had grown to its full size, we would have gotten 6 out of 1 potato, which wouldn't have been bad. Actually, looks like 7. Anyway, but we got 2. I'll take 2. Now, as you can see, here's the second one that we planted. It still looks good, so hopefully it will grow to its full capability and we'll have more potatoes and bigger potatoes. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so and tap that notification bell so you can watch the progress of this potato. Thanks!